Hello students, welcome back to online lecture of M.G. Shah Vidya Mandir and Junior College Bahubali. Students, in 10th Maths first, we had started topic number 2, quadratic equation. Now we will start today's video. So let's start. Hello students, welcome in online lecture of 10th Maths first. Student, in standard 10 we had started mathematics first. We had already completed topic number first and started topic number 2, quadratic equation. In quadratic equation, in last video we had seen what is the quadratic equation, how to write it is quadratic equation or not, how to find. Then we had also seen the root of that quadratic equation, the value is root of that quadratic equation or not. We had seen in the earlier video. Also we had completed exercise practice set 1.1, and in last video we had seen one of the method of solving quadratic equation, that is factorization method. How to factorize we had seen, and exercise practice set 2.2 we had completed. Now students, I had told you how to find the solution of quadratic equation. There are 3 types we will see in this topic. First method we had already learned, factorization method. Now second method we will see, third method we will see formula for solving quadratic equation, that is formula method of solving quadratic equation. Okay, so what is the formula method? See, suppose this is the equation, quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and if alpha and beta are roots of this quadratic equation, then we can write alpha is equal to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and we write beta x minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here alpha and beta are roots. How this becomes? You had given in textbook page number 39 and 40. So we write its roots as x is equal to, you combine this we get minus b, and here plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we get this formula for finding roots of quadratic equation by formula method. See, what is the given? Here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. Then for finding solution of it by formula method we use x is equal to, what is the formula? You remember this formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here this b square minus 4ac is also called as discriminant. In next point you will see that is called a discriminant. Okay. So how to write a, b and c? We write a, b, c from this quadratic equation. You had learned the standard form of quadratic equation. We write first given quadratic equation in the standard form, then you compare, we get the values of a, b and c. Then put this value in this equation, we get the solution. There are 2 solutions. It is quadratic equation, so it has 2 solutions. One is minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and second is minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, understand how to write? By formula method we find the solution of quadratic equation, that is roots of that quadratic equation. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, now we will see example on this formula method of solving quadratic equation. We see examples in practice set. So let's start. See students, we will see some examples in practice set 2.4. Question 1 is compare the given quadratic equation to the general form. General form means standard form, and write the values of a, b, c. Why we are given this type of question? Because in the formula method we want the values of a, b, c. So question 1 is given based of that formula method. Okay, you had already learned this. See how we write compare. It is in the standard form, yes. So you directly compare x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get what we get? A is equal to 1. Then what is the value of b? B is minus 7. And what is the value of c? C is the 5. Okay, so we get A1, B as minus 7 and C as 5. Similar second example you solve. I given here third example. It is in the standard form? No, it is quadratic equation because it has only one variable y and its degree is 2. Therefore, it is quadratic equation. But it is not in standard form. So we write it in standard form. That is y square is equal to 7y. You write this as y square. Take 7 in the LHS. Minus 7y is equal to 0. That is y square minus 7y plus 0 is equal to 0. Now compare y square minus 7y plus 0 with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. We have what we get? C, value of a is 1, value of b is minus 7 and value of c is 0. Okay, understand? Now we will see question number 2. See students, question number 2, solve using formula or factorize using formula. X square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. Yes, it is the quadratic equation. It has one variable x and its degree is 2. Therefore, it is quadratic equation. Now, we have to solve this by using formula. Formula means by using formula method. We can solve this by factorization method also we had learned, or by completing square method, or by formula method. But in the question, if you had given solve using by formula, then you must solve by using formula method. Okay. If you solve by factorization, you will not get the marks of this question. Only you had given solve, then you can solve any one of the method. Okay. Here we solve by using formula method. So for formula method, which is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we first find a, b, c. Okay, let's start. This is in the standard form. So compare x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get value of a. Compare this x square a is, we get a is equal to 1. Then b is 6 and then c is 5. So in formula method we want b square minus 4ac. You know the formula method. By formula method you can write x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula method. So we calculated a, b, c, but here you calculate b square minus 4ac also in the root. B square minus 4ac is there. So you calculate this separately, or you can directly put here also. But it is easy to take this b square minus 4ac separately. So I will find now. We find b square minus 4ac. B is 6 square minus 4. A is 1 into C is 5. 6 6 are 36 minus 4 5 are 20. We get 60. We get value of b square minus 4ac is 60. Okay. Now we use the formula method. Write the formula first and then put the value correctly. We get x is equal to minus, what is the value of b? 6 plus or minus root b square minus 4ac is 16 upon 2 into a is 1. Therefore, we get x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4 upon 2. Here you do not take इधर लगे डायरेक्ट भाग करूँगा तो भी डायरेक्टली. Why? Because there is plus minus sign. So you take x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. First you plus and then you minus sign. Okay. So you get x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 means minus 2 upon 2, and here x is equal to minus minus plus 10 minus 10 upon 2. 2 5s are 10. We get x is equal to minus 5. 2 1s are 2. Here we get x is equal to minus 1. Okay, this is the formula method. First step, you write the given equation in standard form. It is in the standard form, so you directly compare. After comparing, you write the values of a, b, c. Then in formula, we want b square minus 4ac. So you calculate b square minus 4ac. Okay, and then write the formula correctly, put the values correctly, and then you simplify. Here there is plus or minus sign, so take one x as plus and another x as minus and simplify. You get the values of x. Okay. See student, third example. 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. This is in the standard form, so you directly compare 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0 with a, here not x, variable present is here m. So you compare with am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. What we get c? We get values of a, b and c. M square as it is, a is 3. We get a is 3. As it is, we get b is equal to 2. And c is minus 7. Now you calculate b square minus 4ac. What is b is here? 2. 2 square. Then minus 4 as it is into a is 3 into c is minus 7. 2 square 4 minus plus 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are, or 7 3s are 21, 21 4s are, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 4, 84. So we get b square minus 4ac as 88. Okay, this is the value of b square minus 4ac. Now by formula method, you write the formula by formula method. You write the formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac whole 4 divided by 2a. Okay, now you put the values. X is equal to minus, what is the value of b? 2 plus or minus root b square minus 4ac we had calculated is 88 upon 2 into 3. So we get x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus. See, in the first example you get 16 here, direct 16 square root we write as 4, but here we can't find the square root of 88. So you make the factors of 88 such that one of the factors square root is we know. Okay, so we factorize this as 4 22 4 ja upon 3 2 ja 6. Okay, इथं बघा 88 चे फॅक्टर निघत नाही, so we convert 88 in terms of product 22 into 4 such that one of the factor we know. एकाच तरी फॅक्टर आपल्याला काढता येईल. अशा पद्धतीने आपण त्याचे काय करायचे, फॅक्टर पाडायचे आहे. सो यू राईट हियर x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus. What is the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2 and root 22 as it is upon 6. So you write x is equal to, here see 2 is common, so write 2 common. So what remains here? Minus 1 plus or minus 2 is common, remains root 22 upon 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So we get x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 22 upon 3. Okay, so take plus 1 times, therefore we get x is equal to minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3, or x is equal to minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3. So these are the two values of x we get. Okay, understand? Here we completed question number 3. See students, in question number 2, fifth example, y square plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2 is given here. So here denominator is 3. So here you multiply both sides by 3. First you write y square plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. Multiply both sides by 3. So what we get, see, here multiply with 3, 3y square plus 3 into 1 upon 3 into y is equal to 3 into 2. So we get 3y square, 3 get cancelled, plus y is equal to 3 to the 6. You write in standard form 3y square plus y, take 6 here, minus 6 is equal to 0. Now compare this, compare with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. What we get? See, y square as it is, we get a is equal to 3, then b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 6. We get values of a, b, c. First, from the given equation you write the values of a, b, c. So if the given equation is not in standard form, that is general form, so make it in the standard form first and then comparing find the values of a, b, c. Now we find b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to, what is the b? 1 minus 4 into a, 3 into minus 6. So you get 1 minus plus 4 3s are 12, 12 6s are 72, that is 73. b square minus 4ac, we get 73. Now you use the formula method. By formula method, you write the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now you put the values, minus minus, what is the value of b? 1 plus or minus root b square minus 4ac is 73 upon 2 into, what is the value of a? 3. So we get x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 73 upon 3 to the 6. Now student, observe here, we cannot find the square root of 73, or we cannot factorize this such that one of the square root will be outside. 73 is the prime number, so we cannot factorize this. So write as it is. So we get x is equal to minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6, or we get x is equal to minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6. So we get these two values of x. Okay. In first example, root 16 is there. 16 is square root upon 4 बाहेर काढले होते. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल मध्ये 88 आलेलं होतं. 88 चं आपण फॅक्टराइज केलं. 44 into 22 into 4 आणि 4 स्क्वेअर रूट 2 बाहेर काढले. पण यामध्ये 73 आले. 73 हा काय आहे? प्राइम नंबर आहे. याचे स्क्वेअर रूट पण निघत नाही आणि याचे आपण फॅक्टर्स देखील पाडू शकत नाही. जसे स्क्वेअर रूट निघेल असेल. Therefore we write itself as it is. So we get these two factors of this given quadratic equation. See last question in the practice set 2.4. Question number 3 is given activity based question. In question number 5 you had given such type of flow charts. 3 flow charts are given and you of 3 marks. Each flow chart is finding first value of the flow chart 1 mark, second value of flow chart 1 mark, and third value of flow chart 1 mark. So in this type of question there is in question paper question 5 3 marks question. With the help of flow chart given below, solve the equation x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 using formula, means using formula method. What are the given flow charts? See in the textbook page number 44. First flow chart is given. Compare the equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and find the values of a, b, c. First we find, I read first flow chart. From this we find first value. So compare this equation. Compare x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get what is the value of a? A is 1. Then b is 2 root 3. C is 3. Okay. We get these 3 values. Now see, first flow chart completed. We find the values of a, b, c. Then see in the page number 44, second flow chart is given. Find the values of b. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. This is the first point. Next, second point is we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. What is the b? 2 root 3 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 3. So square this. 2 root 3 square means 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. 2 to the 4. Root 3 to root 3, root 9. Okay. That is we write 4 root 9 minus 4 3s are 12. That is 4 into root 9 means 3 minus 12. 4 3s are 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. We get value of b square minus 4ac as 0. Now, what is the third step is given? Write formula to solve quadratic equation. Therefore, by formula method, you write formula method. What is the formula method? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2ac. So put the value correctly. Minus, what is the value of b? 2 root 3 plus or minus root b square means 2 root square minus 4ac, you have calculated 0 upon 2 into what is the value of a? 1. So we get x is equal to minus 2 root 3 upon 2. 2 get cancelled, so we get x is equal to minus root 3. So what is the value is minus root 3. So what we get here? Plus 0, right? Or x is equal to minus 2 root 3 minus 0 upon 2. That is, we get x is equal to minus root 3. See here, root 0 is 0. So take plus 0 and then take minus 0. We get the same value. X is equal to minus root 3 and x is equal to minus root 3. Okay students, here we completed practice set 2.4. It is easy, it is based on formula method. So students, in this video we had completed one of the method of solving quadratic equation, that is formula method, formula for finding roots of quadratic equation. What are the given steps to find? First, write the given equation in the standard form. So observe it is standard form or not. If not, then make it in the standard form. Then compare with ax square plus bx square plus ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Find the values of a, b, c. Then third, find b square minus 4ac. And then last step, write the formula, substitute, you get the roots of that equation. So your today's homework is solve practice set 2.4 in your notebook. Okay, thank you.